Understanding Genome Assembly, a guide to biological puzzles. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics with the term genome assembly. It's a bit like solving a complex puzzle, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's get started and explore what this term means and why it's important in biology. Before we understand genome assembly, let's clarify what a genome is. Imagine the genome as the complete set of instructions for building and maintaining an organism. It's like a recipe book that contains all the genetic information needed for the organism's life processes. This book is written in a special language, using the alphabet of DNA, A, T, C, and G. These letters combine to form genes, which are the sentences and paragraphs in our recipe book. Now, let's tackle genome assembly. Imagine you have a puzzle with thousands of tiny pieces, and you need to put it together to see the whole picture. Genome assembly is similar. When scientists sequence a genome, they can't read the entire DNA sequence in one go. Instead, they get lots of small DNA fragments. Genome assembly is the process of putting these fragments together in the correct order to reconstruct the original genome sequence. It's a bit like solving a massive jigsaw puzzle, but with DNA. Understanding why genome assembly is important takes us into the world of genetics and medicine. By assembling a genome, scientists can identify genes that cause diseases, understand the genetic diversity within and between species, develop new treatments for genetic diseases, enhance our knowledge of evolution and how species are related. In essence, it helps us read and interpret the recipe book of life, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in biology and medicine. Genome assembly isn't easy. There are several challenges. Complexity. Some genomes are incredibly large and complex. Repetitive sequences. Many genomes have repetitive sections, like a book with pages of similar sentences, making it hard to know where each piece goes. Errors. Sequencing errors can lead to misplacements in the assembly. Scientists use sophisticated computer algorithms and technologies to overcome these challenges and accurately assemble genomes. I hope this video has illuminated the intriguing world of genome assembly for you. It's a vital process in genetics that helps us understand the very blueprint of life. Thanks for joining me on this journey into biology, and I look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in the next video.